BSc student at Lambton College, and I'm completing my field placement with the Early On Childcare Center at Lambton College. And today I'm going to present a science experiment in which I'm going to show a snow volcano. And for this experiment we need vinegar, some food colors, a container and a spoon, dish soap and baking soda. So now I'm going to present how we create a snow volcano. First we need to make a mountain. So now I'm going to make a mountain. Oh, it is cold. I made a mountain with the snow, and I made a hole inside it in which I am going to put my container, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon and then 2, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and now I'm going to add dish soap, some dish soap, and you can choose whatever color you like. I'm going to choose pink. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I add 6 drops and then mix it well. Now I'm going to add my vinegar and let's see what's gonna happen. What do you think it's gonna happen? Close kar. Oh, it is coming outside. Oh, I think I need to add more vinegar. It makes some foam and bubbles is coming out, and I used dish soap. It comes in light pink color, and as I used dark pink color, it is a good experience and interesting to show children some science experiment when we mix vinegar into baking soda and see the reaction of it. It is an outdoor activity, so we need to do it with the snow. You can try it at home without a snow, and but if you are going to do it at outside, so you need to wear gloves, hat and snow coat, snow pant and snowshoes, because it is freezing outside, so it is necessary to wear. And let's try at home, have fun. I hope you like this video, and try this activity at home, and tell me how you feel about this activity in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video.